In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Grammarly and disable the Grammarly extension. This can be really useful if you find Grammarly's suggestions distracting, or if you need to do some writing without its interference for a while. First, let's talk about your starting point. You can begin by opening any document or simply launching your preferred web browser. This step is important because it provides the context in which you'll be disabling the Grammarly extension. Whether you're drafting an important email or browsing the web, the process is straightforward, so don't worry. Once you have your document or browser open, locate the Grammarly icon. This little icon is usually found at the top corner of your browser near the address bar. It's shaped like a small green circle with a white G inside. Clicking on this icon will open up a small menu that provides control over Grammarly's functionalities. Think of it as your command center for the Grammarly extension. Next, in that menu, look for a power button. Yes, like the traditional on and off button. This button allows you to quickly and temporarily disable Grammarly. Click on this power button, and a drop-down or pop-up will appear offering you various options. To proceed, select the option that says Turn off Grammarly. This completely disables Grammarly for the current site you're on. It's a neat trick if you want to keep Grammarly running on other sites while turning it off for specific ones where you need a distraction-free experience. Alternatively, if you want to disable Grammarly more comprehensively, you can access it through your browser's extension settings. You can do this by clicking on the puzzle piece or extension corner in your browser to reveal all installed extensions. Scroll down until you find Grammarly and click on it. Once you're in, look for a toggle switch within the extension settings. This little switch acts as the on-off button specifically for Grammarly. Flipping this toggle will disable Grammarly across all your browser activities. It's like switching off a light bulb in a room when you need a little darkness to spark creativity. There you have it, you've successfully learned how to disable Grammarly, whether temporarily for a specific website or completely via your browser settings. This is perfect when you need a break from those grammar checks, or if your writing calls for a little more freedom. Thank you for following along, and I hope you'll find this guide